So I took a trip to Chancery Hall in St. Andrew, but getting there was a journey of its own. I made my way from Lindsay to Red Hills, then into Lee's Flat before reaching Chancery Hall. And once I got up there, I started to see some serious, beautiful homes tucked away in the hills. But there's more to this community than just the homes. So let's take a walk. Welcome back to another adventure, guys. So we're outside again, everybody. So I'm actually heading into a community called Chancery Hall. So who knows that name know exactly where we are right now? Yeah, we're the far out people. So I've actually been wanting to come up here for the longest time now and finally get a chance to. So I just thought I would bring you along with me, everybody. So I heard that this is one of Jamaica's upscale, like real upscale communities in Jamaica. I would say nice community. Nice community. All right, so come here, we're gonna check out all of that. And guys, if you do enjoy coming along with me on these adventures, you can support the channel by becoming members. So that does offer extra benefits and it helps me to continue doing videos like this that I know you guys love. All right, so all the links are in the description. All right, so you can help support the channel. So without further ado, let's walk. So this area that we're actually in right now is called Lee's Flat. So we're actually heading to Chancery Hall right now, but we're walking through Lee's Flat. And guys, do ensure you put a like on the video. Yeah, that thumbs up button, yeah, click it. So far, what I can describe about this neighborhood, I mean, I haven't reached that far in the neighborhood, but people, I tell you, this hill that I'm walking down here, if you haven't noticed, it's the hill that I'm walking down and it is very steep. So I might sound a little bit winded from time to time. Let me see what's on this. Lee's Flat close. So I won't be going that way. I'll be sticking to the main because this is the route to Chancery Hall and I don't want to go too far away from the main. So I'm sticking to the main. Yo, look at these homes. Yo, can you imagine? And we barely even reach anywhere. So can you imagine when we reach into Chancery Hall itself? Yo, around here look nice. But again, the roads are terrible. Jamaica, man, we have to do better than this. The roads are terrible. You can't have such nice homes around here and the homes them look so, the roads don't look like this. This one definitely looks nice. All these like them nice looking gates. Yo, up here is really nice. I would definitely live up here. But guys, let me hear from you. Would you actually live in a community like this? Like all the way up in the hills? Just leave in the comment section and let me know what your thoughts are. Alright, so I see a sign here. Let me see what it says. Burley Close. Alright, so we'll be going up Burley Close. Alright, so we're not gonna stay too long. We're just gonna check out what's up in this area and then we're going back on the main. Alright. And guys, do remember to like the video so we can get out to more people. Yeah, man, just click that like button. Alright, so nice looking one right here. Yeah, definitely a nice looking one. Nice. closer look. Alright, so let's go back on the main. Like a few minutes ago, the sun was kicking, but toned down a bit, so we should be good for a few minutes until it's back up again. Please don't come back up again. Jeez. So we are back on the main, and the roads are terrible. But trust me, peeps, the homes are nice around here. So far, roads are nice. It's a nice one, and this one is definitely nice. Morning time. Yo, these hills are no joke. Imagine having to walk this every day, yo. Let me just give you a peek of what the view is like up here. This is what these people are seeing. Can you imagine just taking a seat and just relaxing and just taking in this view? People, they can see everything from up here. You can't even see where you're going in life from up here, people. No joke. Let's continue the journey. So these are the type of views that these people have. Alright, so let's continue. So I don't know how far it is we can go, but we're just gonna walk, guys. And wherever we just stop, we just stop. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Just get your popcorn and your juice and all of that stuff and just relax yourself, man, and enjoy the video, guys. Alright, so we should be out of Leeds Flat now. People have a nice view right there, so. Yeah. Everybody up on top of the world right there, so. Damn. Alright. So far, I've been seeing a lot of these stone walls. I always love to see them. You can tell that these right over here says probably Hurricane Melissa or something like, but you can tell that it's from a heavy rain. So you can tell that them really have issues with when a lot of rain falls, because you see there's an area made ready so for the water to like basically just run down. So there's a lot of hills up here, so basically I've been walking up hills on top of hills. It's our next hill. Woo. Alright. So waiting up. Based on where this house is, I can definitely tell that they have a nice view. Can't have any vehicle come up here, so people, because as I said, there's a lot. I pay ill up here, people. So your car can't have no regular vehicle. It's a nice one over here. See that? Nice one. You can tell that they have a nice view right there. More hills. Woo! Damn. And it was the first time I've actually seen these so deep. So the water is the first time, so you can definitely tell that they really have water issue whenever they have like a heavy rainfall. So you can see where we're walking from. And again, you know, these people up there, they're huge perimeter fencing. You can hardly get to sit over there to look on the nice mansions. I missed this one. Hold on. Focus on the one across the street from it. Didn't even mention. Look on this one. One has some of these stuff here. I don't know what's going on over there. Let's keep it moving. I don't know if this person's a collector or something like that. They have a few of these over there. Nice size yard. Alright, so we are now in Chancery Hall. So this is where we're basically going. Before, and I'll go up there, and I can not include all of these signs that I see. Right? You know how long we'll be walking and we'll see probably a few of these, so we have to highlight them. Right. We don't know who's watching. I might be interested in those stuff. So what's this? Lady Hamilton Drive. Alright, so let's head up into Chancery Hall. Landscape seems to be, it's not 100, but it could be worse compared to some other places that I've been to. And there's a nice one over this side. Wow. There is a nice one on this side. Whoa. Let's take a few minutes. Just take this one in. This is a nice looking one. Huge. There's another one up there. Let us continue the journey. Guys, like I said, if you reach this far in the video, please remember to click the like button. All right, it is free, and do consider subscribing to the channel. All right, you can't be watching my content and you love the videos and you're not liking and you're not subscribing to the channel. So please do that for me, people. All right, so there's one below here. You can't really see that much of it, but you know it's really big. So majority of it is hidden, so I'm not able to see it like that. There's another one right here. So far, I'm a little impressed. There's this one right here. You can definitely tell that majority of the beauty of it is around the other side. You can have such a nice view and put the front of the house on this side. Couldn't do that. Wow, wow. Are these homes? These cannot be homes. People, are you seeing what I am seeing right now? Are you seeing what I am seeing right now? We'll soon touch on this one. We'll soon touch on this one. But look on this. Look at this, people. This is I don't know what is this. It's a castle. Damn. Who lives here? Wow. And look at this one. Look at the one across from it. Can you believe this, people? I don't even know what this is. Damn. This is a beauty. All right. Let's move forward. Let's push forward, people. You can't get mesmerized by these mansions. Stone walls again. This one is a beauty. This one again. Whoa. Look at this one. It's not of a modern kind of look, but it is definitely huge. Definitely a big one. The roads are terrible though. We can't leave that out. The landscaping is not 100 like I said before, but it could be worse. It definitely could be worse. Look at this one, peeps. I like these ones because guess what? The walls aren't that big, so you get to see the beauty of it. I don't even know which way to go. Alright, let's just take a look. This one. Alright, we're gonna go down there, and then we'll probably come back up there because there's so much to feature in this community. There's a lot of hills. There is a lot of hills. I'm still wondering who live in these homes. Who live in these homes? It looks like generation on top of generation building these mansions, right? Can't no one somebody live in these. Can't definitely have no one person living in these. But it seems they have probably vacant lots. Don't quote me on that. It seems that way. But can a regular person afford land up here? I doubt that. I doubt that. Look at this one. Wow. Nice. Alright, so we are on Ellismere Way. The sign is a bit about, but should be heading that way. But before, we're gonna check out a few of these ones around here. I'm not gonna go that far because I don't want to go far away from the main, because that would definitely make the journey a bit longer. But that is the one that we passed before, so you can definitely tell the view that they have. Now look at this one now, people. Look at this one. This one kind of looks like a tall house kind of design. Just missing that rose. That's a rose pink. Look at that. So these are the type of homes that are in Chancery Hall. Nice. Like I said, they could do better with the roads. I don't know why they always have these nice homes around here and the roads are like this. Alright, so just gonna go down there and just make a U-turn. You can definitely tell that you have a lot more homes around here down where those vehicles coming from. But we don't want to go too far away from the main. Now look at this one now. Look at this beauty. Cha. So we're on Chancery Hall Drive. Alright, so you know if you come down here and look at the view. So far, since I've been walking, I haven't seen any taxis, so you can definitely know that the taxis them don't come nowhere up here. You have to have a personal vehicle. So look at this view, everybody. Look at the view. I think I can see probably half a tree from here. Look at this view. Look at the view. All right. So let us go back on the main. It's beautiful stone walls. Ooh, what kind of plant is this? So people have to have a personal vehicle to come in places like this. Trust me, the walk is crazy. Lots of hills. There's a massive one on the right. Let us go back and look at it. I don't know if we should go back or the front. There's definitely a massive one down here. Look at that. So hopefully the front is around the other side. Nice noni tree. Alright, so here's the one that I just done. It's a gate for it. And this is the house itself. Definitely massive. And there's a massive one right across from it as well. I'm still wondering who lives in these. There's this one right there, right beside. Right beside it. Can you imagine, people? Can you imagine having a house like this? No, houses are small now. Can you imagine having a mansion like that? Alright. So, continuing the tour. I don't know if I missed any around there. I think we were supposed to. Let's just walk up there. Yeah, let's just walk up there because we don't want to miss anything. Because we don't know how far away the other homes are. So I tried to pass these ones around here. Palm trees are nice. Nice landscaping. Right over here, they are nice spot to the bill. Look at this one. Wow. Come the right spot, people. Now look at this. Look at this. Jeez. Got a driveway. Everything holds the gate. It's nice. We have to go closer. Alright, so let's continue. Alright, so like I said, people, we're not going that far up because there's a nice one over here too. This nice one over here. So, again, some nice views. Again, some nice views again, people. Alright. This is the reason why I didn't want to come around this section, because I might see some other homes that lure me in a different direction. So this is the one that we just passed. Alright, so we're just gonna walk a little bit. Let's just see what's going on around this section. Don't want to make this video an extreme long video, people. Alright. You see, this one, definitely some mansions around here. A lot of mansions. So the next one over here. So the next one. Alright. Morning time. Alright. Woo! Get tired already. Alright, people. Look at that one here. Look at this. Look at that one here, people. Building a nice structure right here, so. Alright, so you can definitely tell that the view is crazy. This one is crazy. People building these homes in Jamaica? Damn. Look at this. Look at this. Let's continue the journey, people. I don't know where this is taking me. I swear to God. I swear to God, I don't even know if I'm going in the right direction. But I've never been up here, so I don't even know where exactly is the right direction. I'm just walking. I saw a lot of walls already. This is another wall. This is another. Wow. This one as well. This one is definitely nice too. No, we have to go closer. Get a look. This one is nice. Alright. So far, I am impressed. I am impressed with what I'm seeing right now. This is definitely what you call upscale or upper scale. Definitely. Can tell that somebody ever built something right so. Somebody built a nice structure right here. Look at the gates. One of them nice too. This one is gonna be nice. That's it, that'll be nice. That's nice already. Take a closer look. Can't come so far now. See, good. Right. So the majority of it is on the left. It's covered. But the landscaping is nice. And so they have the peeps out there clean up the place. This is definitely morning time. Yeah, so this is definitely one of the nice sections of Jamaica. We're going back on the other section that we were going on, but definitely people, there is a nice size one right here. All right. Chancery Hall. But to be honest, people, who don't think live around these areas, right? Or why don't think like Jamaicans really and truly love these kind of big mansions, right? Because you say you go overseas, even though you don't really have to go overseas to build these kind of mansions, because definitely people are making money in Jamaica, right? People are definitely making money in Jamaica. But do you think all of these homes are of Jamaicans working in Jamaica? I don't think so. I feel like most of these are returning residents. They come here, they go overseas, they work, and they come back and they build these kind of big structured mansions, right? And they have their family and stuff like that, and you get all the pass on, and there the younger generations come up and they continue to build on it and stuff like that. So that's what I feel, right? That is what I feel. But definitely these mansions are huge. So we're going back down on the main where we started from, and we're gonna take another direction. Notice all of these homes, make sure they have the security system well up. If it's not the camera system, it's the bad dog. You have to have some kind of security system on these type of homes. Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know a piece of history about Chancery Hall, right? You can let me know a piece of history of Chancery Hall if you can, or if you live up here, how is the community, And what I've noticed with these communities, they're very quiet, because, probably most people gone to work, or they probably work from home, so the place is a bit quiet than usual as a middle class and lower class community. So we are going back on the flat. Alright, we started from up there. Alright, so we are going this way. Is it this way? I think so. Yeah, it's this way. Alright. Definitely these people love their mansions. There's a nice one on this side as well. Ooh, the greenery, landscaping, everything nice about this. Everything is nice about this. Just take my time and feature it. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. I don't even know where to turn because every time I turn, there's another one right behind me. But look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this. The landscaping is pretty nice around here. Definitely, the landscaping is nice. This one is huge. Yeah. I really like the greenery around here. It's nice. The roads, so far it really gets a low score. I would say so far it's at a 5 out of 10. The roads are poor around here. The roads are poor in a lot of places in Jamaica. But as we go along, let us see if we will get impressed. But so far, the road score is a 5. The homes in so far, I'm seeing a 9 out of 10. Nine out of 10. All I'm seeing is massive homes, just massive everything. Everything is massive. On here. Stone wall, everything crazy. I don't know what's going on. Let's take a look. A nice one down here. They're building a nice one down here. It's not finished. It's definitely not finished. Alright, don't go too far. Get in the privacy. this one, people. Generation and top of generation. Yeah. Alright. Continue. So I should be able to get a better view if I look down from here. Better view. Alright, so let's head back up. Nice piece of Jesus. Look at this. I really appreciate when they don't put up this huge perimeter fencing and hide the beauty of the home. A nice one up there as well. This way you can't tell that the house is way all the way back. All the way back. Can't see the moon. Can't see. It's a piece of it. Huge driveway. Nice one. That's the one that we just passed to the side of it here. The roads, look at the roads. The roads are crazy. The roads are crazy. Oh man, people. The roads have to be fixed. Where am I going? Where am I going? Alright, it's not this way. Is it this way? Alright, so there is something down there. There is something down there. Let's check it out. Let us check out what is down there. No trespass. This is definitely a nice one. Definitely a nice one. This seems like it's an apartment complex, I think. Like I said, I don't want to go that far from the main because it will literally draw out the video more than I want to. So let us see what is around there. I think it's just the entrance. Alright. So it looks like it's a townhouse. Alright, so not going. Tempting. It's pretty tempting. It's just one more mansion around here. Just the one. Let's see. Oh, there are more. There's more around here. That's as usual, you have bad dogs, but this is have to see what's around here. Like I said, people, I'm just walking. I don't know exactly where I'm going. Just turning, twisting, up, down, nowhere specific. It's not like we have a map or anything. So where exactly we are going. So I'm building a structure road here. See a nice one on this side. Right. So heading back on the main. Also, this looks like an apartment complex. It does look like an apartment complex. Alright, so I have to go back up this hill. People, let's see what I go through. Jeez. Like up the video, people. Like up the video. We go all the way back up this hill. Really hope you guys are enjoying this adventure as much as I am when it's finished. It's a good thing that the sun is not 100% out. It's going in and out. So, whew, that part is good. A lot of hills. Morning time. Whew. Hills. All right, so we're back up. Back up. At least you're getting an exercise out of it. Let's continue. Got this one. Alright. That one is a bit far away from the driveway. Not that far, but it's a bit far. I can tell that this one is very far. Doing some work up on this one. Alright, so this is alright everybody, so we've reached the end of the video. I really hope you like this one. Do remember to like the video, share the video, and consider subscribing to the channel. Alright, I remember I have a lot more videos on the channel to watch, so they're in the playlist, so you can check them out and see what else kind of videos I do on the channel. Alright, so and remember guys, if you want to support the channel, there is a membership that you can join to, you know, keep me going, to do more videos like this that I know you guys really love. Alright, so you can check out that. All the links will be in the description. So there is a next part of Chancery Hall, because I didn't get to cover all of Chancery Hall, so there is a different section, so I might have to do a part 2 to that one. So stay tuned for that one. So guys, stick and stay, alright, until I drop my next video. So until then, peace.